Here it is, the Friday before the 4th of July weekend. I'm down here on the Bourboise River getting ready to do some fishing on Friday. I took off today. And you can probably see my kayak behind me. Yeah, hoping I catch some fish today. So here we go. Well, I haven't caught a fish all day until all of a sudden I latch onto this 17-inch bass, the biggest bass I've ever caught down here on the Bourboise. Check this dude out. Man, that dude is awesome. I'm up here about 2 miles up on the Bourboise right now. Caught one really nice bass. Got quite a few bites, but haven't caught any other fish. But man, it's beautiful up here. I haven't seen one other person. I don't think anybody's been up here probably for the last couple days. But man, is it beautiful up here.